Hey everyone, I hope everyone's doing good today, even though in the world right now it's pretty shitty, but life goes on, so you gotta do your stuff anyways. Today I'm introducing myself with this the first video. First of all, sorry for my English, it's not my first language, so if I have an accent or whatever, that's why. But yeah, as you saw from the title, today I'll be showing you guys pretty much a scalping strategy for gold. So I'll try to explain it as simple as I can and make the video as short as possible so you guys could just watch it, learn as much as you can. Put comments, I'll answer your comments. If you have questions, whatever, try it by yourself. Make a demo account, play with it, see what works, what doesn't work. Just to open your eyes maybe on a few stuff. So the way I like to trade me is price action, so I don't use indicators. The only thing I use is EMA. If I swing trade, I like to, if I trade on a 4-hour time, I'll use the 180. I feel like it's more accurate on bigger time frames. But for scalping, 50 is pretty useful, so that's up to you. But the EMA is a pretty solid, just a line that you can add to your chart, just to have an overall idea of the trend. Basically, when it's under the EMA, it's considered bearish, and when it's over, it's bullish. But yeah. Okay, so what the strategy is. So basically, you're gonna go and you're gonna check the overall direction of the market. And then you're gonna identify support and resistance levels. Then you're gonna wait for a level retest. So if it's going up, you're gonna wait for it to hit the resistance, retest, bounce back up. So wait, let me pull up paint. If it's an uptrend, if here it's been like this, blah blah blah, then it goes down or some shit like this, and then it starts to go back up for a few days. At some point it's gonna hit here, and here from the history, as you can see, it just bounces under. So when it hits here, it might go like this, and then it might hit this level or around here, and then bounce back up. So that you want to wait for those levels right here. And for your support, it's the same thing, but it's when it's still on downtrends. Let's say here in a few years or a few days back, you saw that it hit there was a support here. Then yeah, you're gonna wait for the support, then boom here, and then it's gonna go back down, or it might shoot up. But since it's a downtrend, that's why you want to watch the overall direction of the market, because if it's a downtrend, you have more chances that the market goes down than the chances that the market decides to switch up a trend when you get in are really low. Because if that would happen, you just feel like the market is rigged and it just wants to go against you. So that's why my biggest mistakes that beginners make is just go with the trend. Don't be that guy that buys here and that just says, okay, I'm pretty sure that here the market is just gonna go in my favor and go like this. Like, the chances that happens are really low, unless you really know what you're doing. But yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, I said I want the video to be short, but I feel like I talk too much, blah blah blah. So yeah, you want to sell at resistance, buy at support if it's going up. And yeah, also 5. Also note, buy on an uptrend, sell on downtrend. You won't get broke. You won't lose money if you wait for the perfect opportunity. So don't rush anything. Let the market play. Let the market do what it has to do. Let it draw the candle bars. Wait for it. Get in. Make your pips. Get out. You're good. Alright. So now here, as you can see, if you went like this, you'd be, it's going in an uptrend. But as you can see, with the crisis that's happening in the moment, the gold just decided to shoot down. But as you can see here, there's a big resistance right here. And it looks like there's a support around here too. So let me put that on the side. So since you're scalping, one thing that's really important is to identify your daily high and your daily low, because every time you hit that level, it just always bounces up most of the time. Yeah, don't make the mistake of selling at your daily low. It might shoot down, but sometimes it just pulls back up out of nowhere. So when the market approaches a daily low or daily high, just watch and see how it behaves before you get in the market. Alright, so now as you can see we have red candles. Market's been down for a week, and today is a red day. So when the day is a red day for scalping, for the psychology of trading, people see red, they click on gold. What do they see? They see gold, they see minus 0.49%. So when people see red, they sell, they panic, whatever. Alright, there's a red candle, we know we gotta sell. First thing, check. We gotta sell, and now we gotta identify support and resistance. Okay, so to identify support resistance, we're gonna go on the 4 hours. That just helps to see the market. So as you see here, it goes up, it loses momentum, it shoots back down. It goes down, now it's losing momentum, it's shooting back up. It might go back down after, we don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, now on the 4 hour, it looks like it's going back up for a pullback, and then it's gonna shoot back down probably. So yeah, on the 1 hour, as you can see, it's like it's going sideways. The market doesn't really know what it wants to do. But at this moment, it's going up. Now on the 15 minutes, as you can see, it's pretty much going sideways. And for the last hour, it's just been between those areas. You make a zone instead of just a line. It's easier to identify the price. So there's a big resistance here. Just tell yourself that the bigger the resistance, the bigger the support, the better it is, because the most traders that see the same support as you do are going to trade the same way, so the market's going to behave like you want. But if you just start identifying random supports, like if you say this is support, yes, the market might block right here, but you're probably one of the only traders who saw that support, so no one's going to trade the way that you think the market's going to go. So you got to identify like some obvious supports. Alright, so yeah, there's obvious supports right here and resistance. It looks like there's one in the middle, but it's not really strong, but you can still call it a support, or you can still call it a resistance, but yeah, I'll still put it here. So now we go on a 1 minute chart for the scalping, the fun part. So as you can see here, it hit the resistance I just identified. It got hit, it got back down, it wicked on it, and now it's going back down. So since we're in downtrend, the biggest thing that might happen right now is if you go down right now on a short, let's say you want to pull back, you don't want it to go up above this, there's a big chance that the market, if you want to be safe, really like super safe, which is a bad ratio, it's 1, it's going to hit the EMA line. So a good moment to get back in the market is after it shoot back up and it wicked right here, and right here you could have got in. It's pretty risky a bit, but it would be better. But since we're scalping, you could get in here and put your sell stop right here, and then you'd be a super nice ratio. But right now it's shooting down, and what you don't know is that there's the wick here. Oh, okay, so we just crushed the wick. So yeah, now the market's pretty much shooting down. So yeah, right now on the 1 minute, you can see that it's been there's like a consolidation right here type stuff. So right now what we could do is put a sell and let the market go right here and then close, and just yeah, it's pretty much what we could do right now. So let's do it. And so I made a demo account with $100, so it's pretty much a realistic size account, just to show you that you can sell with a $100 account if you want to. So yeah, anyways, open the gold so you can see what's happening. Then let's say 0.03, because you don't want to fucking shut down your account. And then you put your sell, boom, like this, and then you go and trade, and then you just wait. So as you can see, already in profit. And so what I'm gonna do is, if it goes above here, I'm gonna close, and otherwise I'm just gonna let it shoot down. And with scalping, what's important to know is you won't go broke by closing profits. So don't be scared of taking profits. Just take your profit if you have to. If you feel like the market's not going down as you thought it would, then just close. You won't get broke. You're not gonna lose money by taking profit. You're gonna lose money by staying in the market for too long and being greedy. So now, as you can see, I hit the EMA line. So what we can do is just close right now. Oh, sorry. I used to trade on my phone, so alright, boom. Alright. So, boom, as you can see right now, we made $4 in 1 minute from 8:16 to 8:17. So yeah, that's pretty much what you would do. You could write the market down right now, but there's a chance that it hits this, goes back up, and shoots back down. As you can see right now, it just wicked here. But yeah, this is pretty much the strategy. So it's my first video. I know it's not perfect, and maybe I say a lot of shit for nothing or whatever. I speak too much. So yeah, leave a comment and let me know what you think. And yeah, have fun trading. And I'll make other videos where I explain a lot more. I just wanted to make a quick video just to see how everything works on YouTube, whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching. Leave a like if you thought that was useful, if you learned something. If you have any question, put a comment. Subscribe to support me. And yeah, let's get money, let's make pips. Let's trade gold, because it's super volatile, and you don't need a big account and a big margin. As you can see, it's shooting down right now. Could have stayed in, but yeah. You made your money. Hey, you made $5 in 1 minute. Anyways, so yeah, have a good day, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.